Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. So this is the fourth catalog that I got from Dior, which dated 2001, which is 2022 years old already, and I keep it well because I love Christian Dior brand. And this is the catalog of the spring summer 2001, the accessories and bags and watches. So there's in this there will be two. One is catalog, another one will be the pricing for it, the one that I got. Okay, so let's review, have a look at the uh, whole catalog. Okay. Just okay. Clear. If I'm not mistaken, it's on this time the designer is John Galliano, the one who changed everything, Dior perspective, to a new design collection like this for this saddle bag. For about 22, 23 years old, the design is still in for that. And I miss the sunglass, which is the very hit on that time. This Dior sunglass. The design of the saddle bag is still remaining until now. design. The saddle bag is still until now still producing this design saddle bag. 23 years old already, 22 years old. This one. Still remember the sunglass. The sunglass. Okay, finish of the catalog. Now let's look into the pricing. So this is the price. Back 22 years old, 22 years before the price. I'm not sure how much is it now, because I don't have money to buy. It's just that I'm a big fan of Dior. I got the catalog, but I wish one day I will have Dior on my hand. I can buy it myself. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.